Fastidious Foo here. Today I'm here to do an unboxing video of EVGA's new audio sound card. So let's see what the box looks like first. So it has various features: line out, headphone out, line in, mic in, optical out, optical output, featuring up to 5.1 channel audio, switchable OP amps for headphones out and line out, ambient RGB lighting, shielding cover for reduced EMI, features the HEMIC world-renowned 3D sound technology, apparently. And it's for Windows 10 only. So that's what the box looks like. And now we can see what is inside. So there's another box inside. And I can open it this way. And then there is the sound card. This looks huge. It's bigger than the graphics card that's in the computer. And this is the sound card. Here are the inputs. So it has line out, headphone, line in, mic in, S/PDIF out. Okay. And then this is 6.3mm to 3.5mm jack adapter. And this is the RCA to 3.5mm jack adapter. And then below those adapters I have it shows how to install the hardware and software installation. So we can follow these steps. Install the audio card. There's nothing else underneath. So now I will show you the installation process. I'm going to remove this film. This is the RCA to 3.5mm jack adapter. And you will see that it has left and right sign. And on the back panel of your audio sound card, you will see the RCA, and it's got the red and white. So right side is red and left side is white. So just don't confuse that and plug it in accordingly. So I'm going to show you how to install the sound card onto your PC. You would have to take out your side panel. And then locate where you're going to plug it in. There's your PCIe slot. So I'm going to have to remove this back panel cover. And I should be able to slide it out. There we go. And then I can take my sound card and then plug it in with this side facing the back panel and then into the PCIe slot, so that aligning up with there. Go, and then with one swift movement you should be able to push it in there. And now I'm going to have to connect the power to the back side. So let me find the cable that fits. I think this would work. So this is a cable that I will be using to plug in the sound card. And now that is done. And here you're going to want to plug in the front panel header. But this computer, oh yeah, it does have it. Let me go look for that. Before I plug in the header, front panel header, I'm going to put the screw back in to secure the back panel. There we go. And then, so you know how you have the audio jack on the front panel or the top of the PC? You're going to want to plug that in to the sound card. So I'm going to remove the front panel header and then plug it in. So for this particular model, the front panel header goes there. I'm going to unplug that. And the cable will most likely have a label. It says HD audio, so we will know that that is the one that we want to plug in. So we will match this up into this and just plug it in, and we should be done with the hardware installation. Okay, that should be in. To reiterate what I did, remove the side panel so I can access the PCIe slot, remove the back panel cover so that I can plug in the sound card, connected the power cable, and then put the front panel audio header into the side of the sound card. So I can replace the side panel, and then I will plug in my computer to show you the software part and the driver installation. To download the software, you can go to the EVGA website. You can go to products, and under audio you will see the new audio cards. And if you scroll down, this is our product. Well, we're going to go down to EVGA software, and then go down to EVGA new audio software, and that's where you can download the software. The software should include the driver, but if you want to just download the driver without the software, you need to go straight to the drivers and BIOS. You will see the other products. Select audio card under category, and then part number, we'll do all. Type, you will select the audio driver, EVGA new audio, and show the latest driver, and that is what we need to download. And then you can just follow the prompts to install either the software or just the driver. It'll ask you to restart your computer, so just do that, and then you should be ready to use your software. So this is what the software looks like. It will allow you to change the lighting, so that is the physical LED lights on the audio card. You can change the brightness, change different colors. And then also there's different modes, so you can choose how that LED light is going to display, change the speed, brightness, colors, and there's just tons of options, so you can play with all of that if you want. But the main part is the sound, obviously. You can go to speakers, you can change the main volume, you can choose whether or not you want to play just from the speaker, just from the headphone, or both, and choose which panel it's plugged into, and also you can change the volume on the headphones as well. So everything's linked together, but you can unlink it so that you can have different volumes for left side and the right side. And there's just also different audio effects that you can change and control. And also you can change the input information. So for microphone, you can change the volume. You can also use the mic boost. And you can also have other things plugged in. I don't know, maybe like a guitar or something, I don't know. But yeah, there's different sample rates that you can also choose. And then if you click on the right arrow, you will see even more control. So you can have things set, and there's also a quick mode, so you can quickly change your desired bass boost, voice clarity, treble boost, all of that. So the software does give you lots of different options to control your lighting and the audio. And if you go to setup, you can change the language, setups that you can change to have an optimal experience with your sound card. So that is all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time.